Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an APK in Android Studio. So let's start. First of all, this is my Hello World Android Studio project and you have to click on this button, Make Project. Whenever you click on this button, your Android Studio will tell you whether your app have any error or not. So once you see that your build has successful or not, you can see that my Gradle build is running. It will take a little bit time. So guys, you can see that our build have been successfully created. Now it means that your app have did not any error. Now you have to click on this build bundles and build APK. This will create an APK file to your device. You can see that build APK is generated successfully for one module every.app, and you have to click on this button locate. When you will click on this button, it will take you to your computer where your file would be exist. So you can rename this file, copy and email to anyone, send this as a WhatsApp to anyone, and they can run this Android app on their phone. So guys, I hope that you must like this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to Cubic Soul YouTube channel for further Android related videos. And finally, thanks for watching.